All right, now let's go into the Spanish era. The most sad, scary, frustrating, angry, fear, lahat na lang nga bati dinhi nga era. Lahat na lang nga bati dinhi nga era. Okay, so what happened? What happened when the Spanish arrived in the Philippines in 1521, and what happened during those over 300 years of colonization? So first, we women lose our legal identity. So they strip us down. Ilahang gitangtang ang tanan natong rights, ang tanan natong katungod. So we could not own property anymore. We could not run a business anymore. They now put all this under our husband and our father. So we could not easily, freely move as a woman. We were now put under men. So now men has to kanang sit on top of us and like, no, ikaw dirira ka, di ka pwede ani, di ka pwede ani, di ka pwede ani, dirira ka. Very bad. Next, this one. Ooh, ladies, this is actually very interesting. The Maria Clara ideal. I don't know if you remember, and until now, we still have a lot of, and what they call like, the Filipino traditional clothes. Like Filipino traditional clothes, they weren't so, I don't know, I have to clarify this at first, but I would say the Maria Clara clothes, I would not say those are like traditional Filipino clothes, because the Maria Clara idea was imposed by the Spaniards, by the Spanish. Like they wanted us Filipina, because before that we were this outspoken, ang mga Pilipina, before they arrived, the Filipina, ang mga kababaihan was very outspoken. They could express themselves. Kung unsay dili sila malipayon, unsay kapalagot nila, unsay dili nila ganahan, we were very free to express ourselves. And then we were very powerful. We were very important in our communities. They did not like that. The Spanish did not like that we Filipinas had that power.